Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, it's Sunday and I want breakfast. I wanted some scrambled eggs, but I thought I want some scrambled eggs with some substance to them. So I had some sausage and bacon kicking around, put everything together and made a country-style scrambled egg skillet. It came out fantastic. You're going to want to make this, so let me show you how to do it. Okay, I'm going to begin here, guys. So about 4 or 5 strips of bacon. So I'm just going to go ahead and chop this up into fairly small pieces. Now, I got this bacon on sale for $5.99 a pound, which to me, it's not bad, but it's not very good bacon. What's the price of bacon like down your way? I don't know, it's pretty expensive here. After that, to make things really meaty, I'm going to go diagonally here, cutting about 2 hot Italian sausages. Now, you don't have to use hot Italian. You can use any sausage you want. As a matter of fact, you could even leave the sausage out, but I just like my sausage. Next up, into our cast iron pan with a little bit of oil, and then in with our sausage and bacon. Now we just kind of stir things around here until that bacon fries up, and I think we're going to get it like semi-crispy here. And guys, I just don't know what it is, but there is something about the smell of frying bacon. You know, you wake up in the morning and you can smell that bacon frying in the kitchen. It's just about intoxicating. I don't know. Now that bacon and sausage is fried up, guys, and just look at this. It smells so good. I think it's about perfect right there. I am just going to go ahead and set this aside in a bowl. Next up, I'm going to grab up a couple of red potatoes. I'm using red just for the color. And we'll just go ahead and slice these up. Then, of course, we is going to dice them. And I'd be thinking this is pretty darn good here, guys. I actually only use 1 potato. Alrighty then, next up, we're going to grab a green bell pepper. And of course, we are going to slice and dice this guy. Now in the same pan, guys, and notice I've saved some of that bacon grease. We're going to go in with those diced up potatoes. And of course, we're just going to stir these around for a few minutes until they get semi-tender. And here's an idea. You could even cheat and use some of those frozen hash browns if you don't want to use fresh taters. Entirely up to you, but I like the fresh ones. After about 5 minutes, those taters are looking good. So we're going in with the bell pepper, then half a small chopped onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic. You know me, I gotta have my garlic. And we'll just stir and saute everything around for a few minutes here. Actually, a couple of minutes. Now, my friends, it is time to go back in with that bacon and sausage. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Season things up with a little bit of salt. Not too much, because that bacon's already salty. Some ground black pepper. You know me, about a teaspoon or 2 of this. And of course, some Italiano seasoning. Once again, get everything to stir around. I wish you could smell this, guys. It is smelling so good. Okay, guys, now it's time for our eggs. So I'm going to go in with 4 eggs. About a tablespoon of good old milk. And a whisking we will go. You guessed it, guys. We are going over top of everything with those eggs. And we're just going to go ahead and scramble everything up here. Hey, look, guys, it's a beautiful day, and I got an idea. I think I'm going to build an outdoor kitchen. So let me know if you'd like to see some videos filmed in the outdoor kitchen, outside in the backyard by the garden. I think that's a good idea, but let me know. Once we're all scrambled up here, guys, I'm going to take some old sharp cheddar cheese. You know me and my cheese. And I'm going to grate this over the top. Okay, I'm just going to turn this down to low, slip a lid on, and just wait for that cheese to melt down, and everything is going to be perfecto. After a couple of minutes, guys, that cheese has melted down, and just look at this. Oh, fit for a king or a queen. And there you have it, my friends, our country-style scrambled egg skillet. Absolutely delicious, easy to make. You are going to love it. All right, let's dig in here and see what we got. Get some egg and some bacon and some of that cheese. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. The ultimate breakfast. Okay, let's give this a try. Okay. Guys, this is one killer breakfast. The sausage, the egg, the seasoning, the bacon, everything blends together. Just so beautifully. You've got to make this. And if you do, leave us a comment, because I love to read them. And most of all, subscribe and give us a like, because it does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. And, of course, I am going to have more of my breakfast. So good.